Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. In this guide, we will learn how to make the best budget build money can buy. At the $600 mark, building starts to become a little more joyful and you can reap more power from your build. This build can last a few years and is a great place to start your PC career. With this system, running games at 1080p won't be a problem, and pushing 1440p in some titles is possible. VR shouldn't be an issue either, with lower spec cards being capable. The Ryzen 5 2600 is the champion of budget builders and makes putting together a cheap PC a lot easier. The highly regarded Ryzen 5 2600 has only boosted its reputation with the recent price drop thanks to its newer gen brothers, Ryzen 3000. While the new Ryzen 3600 offers a 20% increase on the general speed, we still think for the price the Ryzen 2600 offers great performance. This CPU is powerful and will make light work of your general tasks whilst also providing great gaming performance. With the Ryzen 5 2600, you'll be able to enjoy your games without the CPU bottlenecking and protect yourself for future upgrades without breaking their bank. This AMD processor provides a great base to this build, and with it being better than Intel's closely matched chips thanks to its multi-thread core, are you surprised it features the RX 590 will be more than enough for 1080p gaming and should offer a great experience at 1440p. Also, performance-wise, it destroys both the GTX 1063GB and GTX 1066GB. In this price range, AMD has simply dominated the competition, and the value of this card shows it. A solid-state drive is essential. We highly recommend installing your OS onto it. Alternatively, you could use your SSD as a cache. This is because SSDs offer huge performance increases for desktop usage and boot times, alongside much faster loading times in games. This SSD has a 480GB capacity, giving you ample room for your media files and games. 16GB of dual-channel DDR4 RAM means that you don't need to worry about RAM issues with your favorite games and applications. This will be more than enough for your needs, and it's even a little bit faster than entry-level DDR4 RAM. In order to equip this build with the best CPU and GPU the budget can afford, we have had to add non-modular PSU. Despite being non-modular, this 500W white-rated PSU from Thermaltake has stellar build quality and great longevity. Essentially, we just picked out what worked best here. Not only is this a solid motherboard for under $80, but it is also OC capable. The board supports first and second gen CPUs, so no issues there, but this VR-ready board impressively pushes your system further to maximize performance. Motherboards don't really impact performance too drastically, but it's important to have a solid performer that can grow with your system, and that's what we picked here. This case from AeroCool will keep your system cool straight out of the box and is one of the best cases to recommend on budget builds thanks to its insanely low price. The case features a no-frills design and has adequate airflow to keep even higher-end builds relatively cool. This cheap PC case helps keep any build under budget, and the excitement comes from the value, not the design with this one, but it's a strongly recommended pick. We looked at our competitors and noticed overpriced suggestions, inferior components, and money being spent in the wrong areas. We like to suggest builds that will bring you the most joy, so we made absolutely sure that we were on top of our game and produced the best budget PC build possible. The RX 590 is going to allow you to enjoy 1080p gaming at 60 FPS on max settings, while 1440p, 1080p at 144 Hz, and VR will all start becoming accessible from the power of this machine. We couldn't be happier with the performance on display here, and we think you'll feel the same way with this excellent value build option. That's it from this video. We will come back again in next video where I will show you $700 gaming PC. So in order to get a notification you have to subscribe and hit bell icon so that you can't miss any video in future. Smart